A first-generation citizen, Igor was always fascinated by machines and robots. He knew from an early age that he was going to work with automation. Igor now had been programming for 3 years and had cash savings equal to 3 months of his bills. He knew that he had to have financial security and that he had to feel wealthy before he started contracting. In May 2019, Igor joined Automate America, built a beautiful profile, and started contracting immediately. He knew that he had to incorporate, but also understood that there was no rush and that he had until the end of the year when it was time to file his taxes. Igor set up a new bank account for Automate America to deposit the money into and to keep it separate from his other finances. Igor kept 30% of each payment in that account and transferred 70% to his personal account to spend as he desired. In October 2019, Igor chose a name for his company and Googled small business CPAs in Minnesota. He called the first one with the best reviews, told him his business name, and that he wanted to incorporate. The CPA said, "No worries, I'll take care of everything." The CPA filed his articles of incorporation in Delaware as an S-Corp. That first year, Igor had a ton of write-offs, and by the end of the year, he had almost zero tax liability. Igor wrote off 30% of his home as an office. He bought a new truck. He got a new laptop, upgraded his work clothes, his boots, bought the best electrical tools, entertained customers 2 to 3 nights a week, and always took someone from work out to lunch. And he even gave his wife and kids jobs at the company, which were write-offs. Igor also wrote off all of the professional and health insurance that he paid for. With the extra money that he made, Igor was also able to invest more money tax-free into retirement accounts than an employee. Igor is just one of Automate America's success stories. Visit automateamerica.com today and let us help you become successful. automateamerica.com. We make contracting easy.